Today, we're gonna walk through making an Oil Plus 2C sample, so let's dive right in. You're gonna wanna make sure that you use wood from the same source as your final project. Sand up to 120 grit or 150 grit maximum, and be sure that you mimic the exact sanding process that you will do on your final piece. On your finished piece, we will recommend using raw wood cleaner. However, it does not affect the color, so we do not need to use it when making a sample. Additionally, part B, which is an accelerant and a hardener, it does not affect color, so we will skip that as well. Now, we've already prepped this wood, so we're gonna start off with kneading the sample and then fold it in half and squirt some on the surface. Spread it around using a white pad and work into the wood in circular motions. Wait about 5 minutes and then wipe away all of the excess with a clean cloth. The surface should feel dry to the touch when you are done. And that's it. You've made your sample. It's a super easy process that gives you the true color, texture, and luster. I've also got a few expert tips for you. Wood has natural color variation. You may want to show a few different samples to your clients so that they can see what the final result will look like. Have your client sign and date the sample. At the end of the project, lighting, colors, and decor can all change, and it's a good reference tool. On pigments, the color Pure is our non-pigmented color, and the color Natural actually has a light pigment to it. You'll see some colors that say 5% in the name. Those colors have less pigment load than the parent color. And finally, all Oil Plus 2C colors can be intermixed to create custom colors. Thanks so much for trying our products. We're excited for you to pick a color, and if you need any help at all, we have a fantastic support team ready to help you out.